Welcome to Island Style Kitchen. For all the exquisite cuisine, you don't know. You have to the bush to the folders. Island Style, taking it worldwide. Top ta da top ta ta da dum yum.
Island style will make you smile. Top ta da 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 da. Bush. Come join our experience each and every episode with Island Style Kitchen. Yaksta the bush lads said that. Waklak skum, skalai boom, bututum, bush. Hey yo! But it's scrolling and clicking. Why you feel like chef over there mouth is dripping? Because they had just subscribed to Island Style Kitchen. Yaksta the bush lad and that's that. Waklak skum, skalai boom. Take it away with the gravy. Pow!
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Island Style Kitchen. Today I'm on the beach with my father and my son, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my famous foil roast fish. This is one of the best fish you can ever get to eat anywhere. Whenever you come into the Caribbean, this fish is going to be packed with a lot of vegetables. We have callaloo, carrots, okra. It's well seasoned. It is going to be steamed in the foil paper on the grill on the beach. You couldn't want anything more than that, people. So just stay tuned. I am going to show you step by step how I did this foil roast fish. I'm going to put them on the grill and let them cook while I sit back and enjoy a nice cold beer and enjoy this beautiful scenery of the Turks and Caicos. So just stay tuned and enjoy the video. Okay guys, so these are the fish that we're working with today. I have some deep water red snapper. These fish are very soft, they don't take any time to cook. So I'm going to show you how I season these fish and clean them. The fishes are already scaled and gut, but I like to go over them with a little bit of lime juice and vinegar just to make sure all of that fishy smell is gone. Alright, so just stay tuned and enjoy. Okay guys, so what I'm going to use to clean my fish, I'm going to be using a sour orange, yeah, and I'm going to be using some vinegar. Alright, so I'm going to throw some vinegar on the fish. That should be enough. Then I'm going to cut my sour orange in two. I don't know where you're from, but I'm from Jamaica. In my part of the world, we have sour orange. And we use sour orange to make juice. We use it to clean fish. When you use sour orange and clean fish, you don't get no fishy smell. It's the best thing you could ever use to clean fish or any meat. Alright? Alright people, so what we do now, we're going to get inside of the fish guts. If you notice, inside here is already clean, but I like to give it an extra clean. The fish market where I buy my fish, the guy, I always hook him up and he always clean the fish properly for me, cut off the extra fins and gills and make sure the fish is clean. But I'm just going back over it with some sour orange. I don't know what they call it in your part of the world, but sour orange. When I look at boy I grew up, we use sour orange and play cricket. Alright, so I'm going to pat dry these fish now with some paper towel. And then after, I am going to show you how to score them and season them. So just stay tuned and enjoy the video. Remember, from an island style, it can't spoil. Now that the fish, they're all washed and clean, I have some island style kitchen fish seasoning, which I'm going to use to season these fish. Alright, so just stay tuned and watch what I go on. Alright, so I'm just making some cuts on these fish. They call it a scoring. Yeah, just so I can put some seasoning inside of the fish. Alright. I like my food well seasoned, you know. Most Jamaicans, as a Jamaican, like my food well seasoned and spicy. You know, island style, it's yardman style. I'm going to go ahead now and show you how I season my fish. So I'm just going to be sprinkling some of the island style fish seasoning all over these fish. Nothing special about seasoning the fish. This season don't have any salt in it. You don't want your fish to be salt because seafood don't take a lot of seasoning. So I'm just putting a little bit of seasoning on both sides of the fish. And then I'm going to put some seasoning inside of the fish. Okay, so we're going inside here with some. So you know, if for those of you who know about fish, you don't want your fish to have a taste inside there where the gut is not seasoned. I love when my fish is well seasoned, especially the gut of the fish, because if you know me, I like to eat the fish. You know, the fish head and all, the eyes, all them things there disappear in time I eat fish. So all the man them out there, if you're back week, I want to make some foil roast fish with okra. This will give you some strength, you know? Strength no be walk. Okay, alright. So now that I'm done seasoning the fish, I'm going to put these in the fridge and let them marinate for about an hour. The fish is not something that you have to marinate. However, I like when my fish stay and the seasoning soak inside of them. So I'm just going to allow them to marinate for an hour. Then I'm going to show you how I stuff them with the steamed vegetable. So these are the ingredients that we're going to be working with today. We have some okra, we have some carrots, some callaloo, an onion. And this is what I'm going to be using to make the stuffing for my roast fish. Okay, so now that my vegetables are all washed and chopped, I added a piece of butter. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of black pepper, a pinch of salt. Now that I added my seasoning to my vegetables, which is primarily salt and pepper, I'm going to allow these to steam on a low heat. The reason for steaming the veggies before I put them in the fish is the fish that I'm going to be using, they're very soft fish. These deep water snappers are very soft. So I just want the vegetables to get a head start on the fish so I don't overcook the fish to compensate to get the vegetables tender. Alright, so just stay tuned and enjoy. So over here guys, here's the vegetable that was steamed earlier. So I'm going to use this now to stuff the fish. Alright, so just watch what I go on in an island style kitchen. Yes, viewers and subscribers, so I'm going to be using some of this garlic herb butter to fold the fish into the foil. The butter will keep the fish nice and moist so it stays juicy and it doesn't dry out, and it also adds flavor. So this is some garlic herb butter that I made by myself, which contain butter, roasted garlic and parsley. Alright, so we're going to put some butter on this right here, not too much, just a little bit of butter, nice. And then we're going to add some vegetables into the stomach of the fish. Here we go, we just add some vegetables in the stomach of the fish, not too much. Alright, then we're going to put some on the outside also. There you go, nice and easy does it. Alright, here we go, we're going to put some more vegetable on the top of the fish. Alright, so right there, and then we're going to put more butter on the fish because we want it to be nice and soft and buttery. Alright, and remember people, we're using garlic herb butter. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and fold the foil paper now with the fish. Alright, so I go like this and find the center of the foil paper and bring this together like this. Alright, so I bring this together and then I just fold it in. Alright, so I'm just going to fold this and I'm going to fold it as tight as possible to create a seal so that the steam don't escape and the juices from the fish don't drain out. Okay, alright, so here we go, pretty much this one is finished fold. And then what I do now with the ends now, all I simply do is fold the ends in. This window out here is crazy today. I'm not even sure if I can fly the drone at the beach, but I'm going to try to show you guys how beautiful the water is where I am. Alright, so this one is pretty much done. Alright, so that's it there guys, one of the fish full already. Alright people, so here it is, the fish are finally ready. I finished wrap them and my grill is ready over here. As you can see, this is my grill right here. Alright, so these guys are riding in the back here. We have Dijon Grant here and we have Ricardo Grant. Yes viewers, so we are heading out to the beach now. The beach is pretty close to where I live. Basically, everybody that lives in the Turks and Caicos live on a beach or close to a beach. So the beach is approximately about 5 minutes from where I live. So just stay tuned and I'll get you there in about a minute. Yes peeps, so the beach that I'm going, it's a public beach. All beaches in the Turks and Caicos are public. It's not like back in Jamaica where they can fence the beach and make it a private beach. There's no private beaches in the Turks and Caicos. It's all public. However, they have strict marine laws, so you cannot catch any fish. I think the fine is about $10,000 for one fish or 6 months in prison. So cannot catch any fish on this beach. However, fishing is a big sport in the Turks and Caicos, so they do have designated areas for fishing. Alright, so we finally reached a spot. There's a bunch of cars here and all kind of stuff. It's a holiday, so there's a lot of people here, so let's see what happens. Alright people, like I told you, I just reached a spot and it seems pretty busy here today on the beach. So we have some people here playing football. Down there we have more people on the beach just chilling. It's a beautiful evening. Yeah man, so we're just going to be chilling here today and this is the beach. I think I'm going to set up my camp over here on this little side here. I think I'm going to set up. Alright, so just stay tuned and enjoy as I show you guys what's cooking in Island Style Kitchen. So right here we have the cooler. In the cooler here we have some, in the cooler we have Corona, we have water, and we have lime. They're nice and cool. You can see now the fire is coming on nice, the grill is nice and hot. I'm trying to speed up the fire a little bit. Yes, viewers and subscribers, right now I think my grill is up to temp, so I'm going to be putting the fish on the grill. I am putting the largest fish closest to the vent because that's where most of the heat is in the grill. I want to give it a little head start. What I'm going to actually do is turn the fish over and I'm going to start the cook on the side that was fold, just in case the foil paper get punctured or something, you don't lose the juices. So I'm going to cook all of these fish for about 15 minutes. Then I'm going to flip them over on the other side and cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes, so the entire cook is going to take about 20 minutes. If you notice on the grill here, I have some sweet potato and I have some corn. The fish them come on nice. The foil paper I swell up, that means they're cooking nice and slowly. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pop a beer and enjoy the scenery, how beautiful the Turks and Caicos is. Yes, life is good. We should enjoy life. You only live once. Alright viewers and subscribers, so right now I think the fish are ready to turn over, so I'm going to head over here and I'm going to flip the fish. Yes, they're ready to turn. Alright, so if you're doing this at home, don't practice to, use your bare hands, use up your tongue or use oven mitts. Alright, so here we go. It's very hot. Alright, so this side of the fish already cooked. One way to check your fish to know if the fish is cooked is to touch the fish like this, and if it feels soft, you know that the fish is cooked. So this side of the fish is already cooked. I'm going to give this about 10 minutes on the other side and then the fish should be ready. Alright, so just stay tuned. Alright people, so it's been about 15 minutes since I last checked the fish. I think the fish are ready, so I'm going to take them off the fire. Because if you notice right here, there's a hole in the foil paper. So if you notice it's bubbling up, that shows the amount of heat that's in this foil paper steaming this fish. Right? Yes, they're definitely ready. They're super hot. So, whoa, pass the tongue, baby. I have to use the tongue. Yeah, the potatoes are almost cooked. Yeah, they're pretty much soft. So you're going to leave the potatoes on the can on here to cook a little bit more. But I think the potatoes are cooked, yeah? Yeah man, potatoes taste nice. Alright. What you eat?
Grilled snapper.
Grilled snapper? Yeah? How's it?
Tasty.
Fry them up and take your food up. Wow, look at that. Nice and juicy.
Yeah.
Can you fry them up, fry to eat it? How about that?
Gentle people, this is sweet potato. Nice and soft.
We have something to people.
We are living the rich life.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Where we live is where people want a vacation, right?
Of course.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, so the roast fish is ready. I'm going to dive into this roast fish now. You can come and take a closer look at the roast fish. What it looks like. You see, right? This fish is to die for, boy. This is priceless. The okra. Yeah, man, I eat, man. Island Style Kitchen. Doesn't get any better than this. Nothing beats grilling food on the beach on a Sunday evening, watching the sunset go down. Doesn't get much better than this, people. Life is short, you should enjoy life. Me and my son here having a fantastic time on the beach. And just a reminder, people, you only live once. Enjoy your life. All right, so feel free to go and try this recipe and post in the comments down below and tell me what you think about the video. And if you try the recipe, how it works out for you. And if you have any suggestions on what you do when you're cooking fish or anything else, you just share it with me. I want to say thank you guys very much for watching. I really appreciate the support that you've been giving me over the years. Now I'm back on YouTube and I'm going to be giving you more videos. Yeah, man. So please like, share, comment and subscribe. And wish you guys all the best. Stay tuned. Island Style Kitchen. I'm out.